you're interested in purchasing either DJI Avata 2 drone or DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, this video is for you. We have done the hard work for you by comparing the 10 key features between both drones, so you can make a happy buying decision. In this video, we are going to compare and recommend between DJI Avata 2 and DJI Mini 4 Pro based on the following features: obstacle avoidance, affordability, video transmission system, size, storage, and weight, maximum flight time, maximum flight distance, maximum video BIRATE, wind speed resistance, camera sensor, and dimensions. If you're interested in purchasing either of these drones, check the links in the description or comments below. Affordability. The average cost of DJI Avata 2 is $999, while DJI Mini 4 Pro cost $759 on the average. Therefore, if you are a budget-conscious user, we recommend you go for DJI Mini 4 Pro because it is more affordable, making it a better choice for you. Weight. Concerning weight and size, it is good we let you know that DJI Avata 2 weighs 377 grams, while DJI Mini 4 Pro weighs less than 249 grams. If you are a travel enthusiast, we recommend you go for the DJI Mini 4 Pro because it is lighter and more portable to carry around. Dimensions. When folded, the dimension of DJI Avata 2 is 185mm by 212mm by 64mm, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro dimension is 148mm by 90mm by 62mm. So if you are a compact storage seeker, we will recommend you buy the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone because it is more compact when folded. It will perfectly fit into your small bags or backpacks and doesn't require registration to fly in many countries. Maximum flight time. Maximum flight time is the duration your drone takes before it runs out of battery. The flight time for DJI Avata 2 is 23 minutes, while DJI Mini 4 Pro lasts 34 minutes, and with Intelligent Flight Battery Plus mode, it can last up to 45 minutes. Therefore, if you are a long flight time user, we recommend you go for the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone because it offers significantly longer flight times. Maximum flight distance. The DJI Avata 2 drone has an impressive maximum flight distance of 13 kilometers, approximately 8 miles, while DJI Mini 4 Pro has flight distance of 20 kilometers, which is approximately 12.4 miles. For maximum flight distance, we recommend DJI Mini 4 Pro. Maximum wind speed resistance. Both DJI Avata 2 and DJI Mini 4 Pro offer the same wind speed resistance of 10.7 miles per second, suitable for flying in moderate wind conditions. Camera sensor. DJI Avata 2 has a 1/1.3-inch CMOS with 12-megapixel cam, while DJI Mini 4 Pro has an impressive 48-megapixel cam quality and 1/1.3-inch CMOS. Therefore, the DJI Mini 4 Pro has a higher resolution camera for photography enthusiasts, which results in better image quality and more detail in photos. Maximum video BOT. Higher bitrate means better video quality and more detail. The DJI Avata 2 has 130 megabyte per second video bitrate, while DJI Mini 4 Pro has 150 megabyte per second. If you are a videographer looking for which drone to buy between both drones, we recommend you for DJI Mini 4 Pro as it offers a higher video bitrate. Obstacle avoidance. If you are asking which of the two drones is better at avoiding obstacles from all directions, reducing the risk of crashes, we will tell you that DJI Avata 2 drone has a downward and backward visual positioning, while DJI Mini 4 Pro is omnidirectional binocular vision system, which makes it more comprehensive for obstacle avoidance. Therefore, if you are a safety-conscious user that is looking to buy either of two drones, we strongly recommend the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Video transmission system. Both drones use the same advanced transmission systems, which is DJI O4 system. It is reliable and high-quality video transmission. Additional special features. DJI Avata 2 is FPV flying with DJI Goggles 3, motion controller, while DJI Mini 4 Pro is traditional remote control drone, stable and easy to use. If you are FPV enthusiast, the DJI Avata 2 is ideal for you to enjoy immersive first pilot view flying. However, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is better for those who prefer traditional controls and ease of use, as it is user-friendly and versatile. If you're interested in purchasing either of these drones, make sure you the stepper. Check the links in the description below, and please subscribe for more comparison videos like this.